This is a short video to show how to protect your Excel file on a PC. First, be sure to type your name in the first cell, then go to the Review tab. Click on Protect Sheet. Enter a password. And by default, all cells are locked. By checking the first two options to select locked cells and unlocked cells, you allow users to click on the cells to view but not edit. Your instructor can then check your formulas for grading. Click OK and save your file. This is important. Then upload it to your post as an attachment. If you have any questions, please ask your instructor.